Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about something that really connects to all of us, the spiritual and digital aspect of the soul. In this modern world, we're living both online and offline. But how do these two affect who we really are? Let's start with the spiritual aspect. This is uh, this is all about our inner self, our beliefs, values, faith, and connection to something greater than us. It could be God, the universe, or simply our sense of purpose in life. Our spiritual side guides us when things get confusing or difficult. It's what helps us stay grounded, grateful, and at peace. Now let's talk about the digital aspect of the self. This includes how we express ourselves online through social media, our profiles, posts, and interaction. The digital world lets us share ideas, connects people, and learn so much. But it can also change how we see ourselves. Sometimes we compare our real life to others, highlights, reels, and that can affect our confidence or even our mental health. That's why balance is so important. We can use digital world to share positivity with creativity and truth, while keeping our spiritual side strong to remind us of who we truly are beyond likes, commonly comments, or followers. So take time to disconnect and reflect. Pray, meditate, or simply spend time in silence. Then, when you go online, bring that same peace and authentically with you. Remember, your digital identity shows how you connect with the world, but your spiritual identity shows how you connect with yourself and